Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to never lose at tic-tac-toe. This will be a simple tutorial to show you how to win every single time. Let's get right into the video. So generally speaking, as a rule of thumb with tic-tac-toe, you're going to be alternating who goes first. So this player will go first the first game, then this player will go first the next game, then this player will go first, then this player will go first. So the goal here is essentially to win when you go first and to draw when you go second. So you want to win when you go first, and then you want to draw when you go second. You can also win when you go second, but that will require them to make an error, okay? So let's go over how you're going to win when you go first, okay? So when you're actually going first, you want to start off by placing your marker, which is most likely going to be an X, in a corner. So you're going to place your marker in a corner right over here, okay? Now, most likely, they're going to want to take up the center or one of these spots, okay? So wherever they take up, it doesn't matter. Because let's say they take up this spot right here. So they put their O right there. You're going to want to place your X in another corner, okay? So place your X over here, right? They're going to then they're going to be forced to place their O over here. And then if you place your X in a third corner, whether it's this one or this one, doesn't matter, you now have two options to win. If they place their O here, you win this way. If they place their O here, you win this way. So essentially what you want is you want to start in a corner and work your way to the corners, okay? So that's how you win if you're going first at tic-tac-toe. Now, if you go second, let's say you're the O. Let's say you're going second, okay? Essentially, you want to go for a draw, okay? So basically, if your opponent places their X in a corner, okay, so let's say they place their X in the corner, like you were doing, you want to put your O in the middle. And that'll actually basically allow you, as long as you play your cards right, to go for a draw, okay? Unless they make a major error, because if they make a major error, then you can actually win, okay? But you're basically going for a draw or a win when you go second, and you're going for like almost a guaranteed win when you go first, okay? Now, if they place their X, so if your opponent, the first person, places their X in the center, then you want to take a corner. You never want to take any of these centers on the outside of the perimeter. You always either want to take a center or a corner when you're going second. Very simple, okay? And it's literally that simple. If you follow this strategy, you will win when you go first, and you will either tie or win when you go second. So you're going to win when you go first because you're going to get the three-corner method, which allows you to go here or here, okay? Very simple, no matter which three corners you get. If you go second, then you can force a draw by just trailing them, or you can potentially win. And the reason you force a draw is because you're in the middle here. You're in the middle, so you're covering all of these angles right here. It leaves them to only dealing with the perimeter, and you can just track them. So if they put their X here, you could put your O here. Okay, and then they're forced to put their X here, or else you can go and win here. So like they're forced to put their X here, but if they decide to get greedy and put it here, then you win because you get O right here, right? So let's say they just, for instance, let's say they're like, okay, they're gonna put their X over here, right? If you put your O over here, okay, very simply, you put your O over here, okay, then they are gonna have to put their X over here. If they decide to put it anywhere else because they want to try and get 3 in a row, you put your O here and you win. Or you force a draw because you're trailing them. So this is, you go first, you win. You go second, you win if they make an error, or you force a draw. And that's it. That is how to win at tic-tac-toe. How to never lose at tic-tac-toe. It's unbelievable. You're either going to win or draw. You're never going to lose. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.